Kristen. Hello everyone, I'm Ohana. Welcome to our countryside field walk. Today we have a special video of a young nature. Join us to explore the beauty of our countryside and learn about wonders of nature. Are you ready? Let's go! This is a big snail. Snails are fascinating creatures that can be found in the countryside. Wow, they have a spiral-shaped shell. Snails are often found in gardens, fields, and forests, and its cool environments. Yes, and the shell serves as a protective home. Have two pairs of tentacles, with the long one with the eyes at the tip. Do you know snails can hibernate when it's dry or cold, sealing their shells with a thin layer of mucus, and also help them to regulate their body temperature. Snails prefer damp and cool environment. Their slime helps them to move smoothly and also protect them from drying out. Snails have muscular foot so they can glide on the surfaces. They are herbivores. They eat plants, leaves, and fruits and flowers. Ladybirds are good friends to have in the garden. They help to keep the plants healthy by eating pests. And they are cute too, with their colorful shells and black spots. Houston, can you feel the breeze? So nice. Yeah. Ooh. And how do I go faster? wool, meat, and milk. Sheep are known for their wool, which is removed from their bodies once or twice a year.
Good.
Where? Here. Black. Where the sheep's caca come from? There's no sheep here. Wool can be used for many things. Jackets, carpets, blankets. Sheep milk is known as lamb or mutton. Lamb means young sheep and mutton means older one. Sheep milk is used to make various dairy products. Like cheese, milk, or yogurt. Walking through the countryside is not only about seeing and hearing, and also about feeling and smelling. Let's take a moment to appreciate the beauty of this place. I hope you enjoy a countryside vlog. My young little explorer. And I reached the people outside. Can be adventurous. Thank you for watching. If you like our video, like and subscribe.